So let's look at the general plan that we have along this section. So here we are, just you can come with me to the page, the link that I gave you. First of all, at the top, because this page is so long and you may come back after a while, I've put the topics at the top, and to each topic that you want to go, just click on it and it will take you to the section that you like. So starting your website for free in 2020. Sounds interesting, right? So what is the plan here? What is the general plan that we are going to have and create our website? The first thing is that there are a lot of platforms out there that will help you to create a website. For example, there is Wix, there is Squarespace, and a lot of other websites that let you create a landing page just to have sales. But why we are choosing WordPress? First of all, it's very simple to use. You may say, all right, Wix is simple too. Yes, but the difference here is that you are in charge of everything. You are in control of everything. And at the beginning, you may not need some specific tools or specific tasks to be done on your website. But as you go forward, if you need anything, there are thousands of plugins out there that can help you, and you can get them for free. Or you get paid ones, and you can improve your website. But on other platforms like Wix, Squarespace, you don't have this ability, okay? And also in the long run, it is much cheaper. For WordPress, it's completely free. All you have to do is to pay for a host and a domain, okay? Well, domains are also cheap. We will take a look at it in the next lecture. And hosts, if you don't have a lot of traffic, they are also very cheap. So comparing to the other platforms that let you create a website without coding, WordPress is one of the top choices, and out there millions of people are using it. And I have been talking about it over the past couple of years, and still I think it's the best one, right? So that was the general plan that we are going to have here. On the next lecture, we are going to talk about domains and hosts, right? And I'm going to introduce different platforms from beginner to advanced and show you how you can use it. But don't worry, for this lecture, for this course, to practice, we are going to select some platform which is completely free, and generally you don't need to pay anything for practicing, okay? So don't worry about that, and I will see you in the next lecture.